Are you looking for the best welder for beginners? In this video, we will break down the top 5 best welders for beginners on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Hobart Handler 100 Beginner Flux Core Welder. Hobart made its name on rugged, dependable, and reliable welding machines. The Hobart Handler 100 is aimed at beginners but brings famous Hobart industrial construction and design to the DIY workshop. Although it's not gas MIG capable, this flux core welder is very capable and makes a lot of sense as a home repair device. The operating range of 30 to 100 amps output allows work from as fine as 24-gauge sheet metal on up to 3/6-inch steel plate, providing plenty of capability for such chores as repairing gate hinges, rain gutters, trailer hitches, and automotive work. It's able to fit both 4-inch and 8-inch spools onto the wire drive, keeping the machine able to perform for a long period of time, making it easier to just grab and weld whenever you feel like it. The Hobart Handler 100 uses industry-standard Hobart and Miller brand consumables like wire nozzles and torch parts. The lack of gas capability is only a minor drawback given the overall convenience of 120-volt input and an 8-inch wire spool. The 3-year warranty and nationwide dealer service network add even more positives. At number 2. ALPHATIG TIG Welder. The AHP ALPHATIG is a very affordable model to buy and comes with an awesome thin material-oriented welder. Some reviews call it the best welding machine for beginners. It's capable of welding anything from 1/4, aluminum to 3/8, mild steel materials, which is a pretty impressive range for a TIG aluminum welder. This, in turn, allows for a little more experimentation, which is, as the most experienced of welders would say, the ideal way to learn. The welder is also capable of using both direct and alternate current, which, again, increases the machine's versatility, which empowers you to work on a wide range of welding projects. This model from APH operates on both 110 volts and 220 volts, making it usable worldwide. It is also very light, and, thus, maneuverable, which is an overall top-quality purchase. At number 3. Weldpro 200 Multi-Process Welder. The Weldpro 200 amp inverter multi-process welder is our favorite choice. It isn't too expensive, it offers both MIG and TIG functions, and it's one of the easiest machines to learn on. It has preset internal parameters that calculate the best mix of settings for you to weld with, so all you have to do is turn it on and weld. You can increase or decrease the heat, but there is no need to worry about the other smaller details that often make the initial learning phase a challenge. There is a button to adjust between automatic wire feeding or manual wire feed, which lets you focus on maneuvering the torch easily without worrying about holding the trigger. It's also a smaller machine, making it easy to transport around, and it's capable of a wide range of welding at a very reasonable price. This is our all-around favorite beginner welder for getting a basic overall feel of welding. At number 4. Forney Easy Weld 299. The Forney Easy Weld 299 is a machine that would suit any beginning welder. It has proper levels of power for completing basic welding tasks and can weld 1/8 steel at maximum capability. When you begin welding, you will need to set this particular welder to a thin plate with a higher wire speed for more lightweight materials, and the inverse process for thick ones, although the correct setting is known as the steel plate. As a tool, this would be more than sufficient for an entry-level welder. The many features of this welder make it a good choice for people who want to explore welding at their discretion. It's designed to tackle both lightweight and heavy metal. This welder will be able to handle all tasks put to it which are not advanced. However, you will find that the people who use this don't need an advanced task anyway. At number 5. ESAB MINIARC Welder. This is a very affordable and light welder, but it can still deliver quite a bit of power and a great output range for an arc welder. This DC device can deliver a range of 5 to 160 amps. This makes the welder an excellent choice for very small and delicate welds. The welder is capable of operating both on a 115 and 230 volt input, which gives a high level of control. The most impressive thing about this welder is the fixed hot start. This enables you to strike an arc without a moment's thought. That being said, this makes the ESAB very good for anyone looking for a beginner-level welder.